Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our today's lesson. And our today's ELO is identify and write correct numerals to represent numbers from 0 to 50. So the skills which we are targeting today are reading and speaking. So our objectives for today are: number 1, students should be able to recognize and count number 3 through counting. And our second objective for today is students should be able to identify and read number 3. So before moving towards our further lesson, let's recall what we did previously. So do you all remember counting which we did yesterday? Let's recall through our poster. Do you remember the poster we made yesterday? Yes, very good. So let's count that how many sheep we have on our poster. 1, yes, 2, very good. 3, very good. You remember 3. Let's count them once again. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Let's count that how many small blocks I have over here. 1, yes, 2 and 3. Very good. I have 3 little blocks over here. Very good. So you remember counting 3. That's very good. So let's see what do we have on our screen. It's a strawberry. Let's count how many strawberry do you see over here. 1. Then we have 2 and 3. So we have 3 strawberries. Let's count them once again. 1, 2 and 3. So how many strawberries do you see over here? 3. Very good. So now moving towards our today's lesson, we will be doing page number 23 from our maths book. Can you see the little books over here on your page? I also have some small books over here. Let's count them. 1, 2 and 3. So what do 3 looks like? We can count 3, but have you ever thought that how 3 looks like? Okay, let's look at this card. Can you look at my card? Yes, let's count balls on it. 1, 2 and 3. So how many balls do I have over here? 3. So can you count 3 balls? Yes. So now let's look at what 3 looks like. Yes, it's number 3. This is how 3 looks like. Can you see my slide? This is how 3 looks like. This is number 3. What is this? This is 3. Say it loudly. 3. Okay. Let's see some more 3s. 3. Repeat after me. 3. Okay. Can you see some more 3s? Very good. This is number 3. Can you see more 3? The dancing 3? Yes, very good. 3. Okay, very good. And we have one very musical 3 over here. 3. 3. Say it in very loud voice. 3. Very good. So now let's see what do I have for you. I have a very big 3. So this is what 3 looks like. This is 3. Can you find one more 3 over here? It's on the tree. It is 3. Very good. And then we have 3 over here. Very good. And over here. Very nice. So you can spot on the 3. Very good. So we just learned what 3 looks like. So our classwork activity for today is that ask the students to count 3 numbers of objects in the classroom. 3 chairs, 3 color pencils, 3 bags. It could be anything. It's like they can count 3 pens, 3 ice cream sticks, 3 markers. And if you have 3 around your class, ask them to find 3. Like we have a big tree, we have a tree plant with digit 3. Okay, so let's see what do we have for our homework activity. It states parents will ask students to find number 3 around the house, for example on clocks, TV remote, phone. So this is what you are going to do in your homework task as well. Now we have a very interesting student assessment. Let's count how many trees do we have over here. 1, 2, very good, and then 3. Perfect. Let's count them once again. So how many trees do you see over here? 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 trees. So now what you have to do is you have to take the right answer. Is it number 3? Yes, it's number 1. Very good. So you are going to put cross over it. Is it number 3? Yes, so you're going to take it. So this is number 3. So what did we just learn today? We learned that how does 3 looks like. Thank you for listening to my lecture for today. Allah Hafiz.